Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Hey, what's up YouTube entrepreneur? Today I'm going to teach you all how to make over $50,000 in your business. And the first thing is understanding there's three things that's keeping you from making over $50,000 in your business. And that first thing is marketing. A lot of people are not really understanding that if you don't know how to market your product or services, you're not going to get a lot of customers to buy your products and services, and you're not going to make a lot of sales, okay? That's number one. Number two is the branding. When you sell your product or services, are you making a connection? Who are you? You know, are you just running up saying, hey, buy my product or services? If you're just doing that, yeah, you're going to sell stuff. But at the same time, people won't buy much from you because you didn't try to make a connection. You just tried to sell them. Okay? So you have to start focusing on building a brand. And number three, a support team. And I don't care if it's 2 people or 3 people. You need to have other people around you that may help you grow the business, because there's certain things in the business you may be focused on that product and services, where that other support staff or support team, they can say, hey, why don't we do this for us to market it? Hey, I noticed that people are buying this product or service from you because of XYZ. So having a support team definitely helps. Now let me help you understand how to continue to grow your business so you can get it over the $50,000 mark. First of all, as an entrepreneur or business owner, you need to set up the business the right way. That's why 3-Way Funding Business School, we actually teach you how to properly structure the business. Now, once you structure the business, all revenue should be paid to the business because it's going to build up your business bank statements and your financial statements. And because they're building up your business bank statements and financial statements, you're able to go to lending institutions, not just banks, but other lending institutions, and get funding regardless of your personal credit. Now, let's talk about the marketing. Again, if you do not know how to market your product or service, then you're going to be out of business. So you either have to learn how to market your product or service, or you need to find people that understand how to market and pay them to help you market your product or service. And the more people that are buying your product and services, then that makes it much easier for you to expand, so that way you can re-up. So say that you have a great product. Say you're selling clothes and you have a clothing store. Well, if people keep coming in the clothing store and you don't have more product in, guess what? You're losing those customers to your competition. So you want to be able to be in a position to where you always have access to capital so that you can always re-up. And if you don't have it in the store, you can always send people online to get that product and services. Also, by you setting up the corporation, this is going to help you pay less in taxes, which is going to help you keep more money in your pockets. Okay, now let's talk about this, the multiple streams of income. Making money off of your competition. Now, you're selling clothing. Your competition is selling those same type of clothing, but they are a bigger one. So they have an affiliate program. So what you do, you become an affiliate of your competition. So that way, if you're not selling that product, say that you sell a product that Amazon sells online as well. So you become an affiliate of Amazon. So if people come in your store and say, hey, I'm looking for this specific item, this here item, you say, well, I don't have it, but here's the link to go online and you can get it. So when they go online and they buy that item through your link, you're making money. This is how you get your business over $50,000 more, because you're adding more income streams to the business. So you're not just focused on selling your products and services, you're also focused on growing your multiple streams of income, which helps your net profits. And because you have the right corporation set up, now you're paying less taxes, more money in your pocket. Now let's talk about this personal credit thing. I've told you all over and over, it has nothing, when you're talking about getting funding, it has nothing to do with personal credit. There's a lot of lenders out there that will give you funding regardless of your personal credit, just long as you have the business set up right and you're generating revenue. That's what the 3-Way Funding Business School is about. Now, If you need help building your personal credit, the Three-Way Funding Business School has a module in there to help you restore your personal credit. So now you know that, hey, I can make over $50,000. But again, it's a formula, a format that you need to follow in order to make $50,000 or more. And because you're adding those different affiliate income stream, which is multiple income stream, now you're making passive income. So when you're not able to sell a customer a product or service, you can send them online through your affiliate link, and you can add those income streams to your business. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. If you want to learn more about our business credit program or the Three-Way Funding Business School, click the link below. Thank you.